Recording in progress.
So ATM, there I'm going to take it. There I'm going to take it. PY, I'm saying there, ATM demo. So I'm going to get this operations menu like this. What I need to do now? I need to go for asking you, enter your choice. Enter your choice. According to this, I may enter 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So let us go for make the skeleton ready so that I can call that functions well. So now I'm going to make it. How do you do it? CH is equal to int of input of enter your choice. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. If, come on, I can go for match case. I can go for if also. Match case is a 3.10 feature, may not be available in some IDs because match case is still under 3.10, it is under bug fixing stage. So still 3.8, 3.7 is using still in the industry. Okay. So if you want, we can use, in my system, I have what? Python 3.10 is there. I'm taking match of what? CH. Match of CH. There I'm going to write it. What I will do? Case 1, what should I do? I will explain. Pass. Case 2, I will say pass. Case 3, pass. I say pass. Case 4, I will say here, students. Come on, ma. You know already what to do. Sys dot what? Exit. Before that, I say one statement. Print of, what is this now? Thanks for using this application. This application. Yeah, this is a message you are giving it. So sys is a module, right? I must import what? Sys. Right. Now, if it is case 1, what should I do? I should go for a deposit function I will call. Withdraw function I will call. Balance inquiry function I will call. Other than these cases are entering, what I will do? Except case I will write it. Default case I will write it. Case underscore. I think you know this part. So I'm going to write it what? Print of. I'm saying that your selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. What is this now? Try again. Right. Now in this case, dear students, you observe it. This is going to be like this. Try to understand one thing. You try to execute once and then see. Try to run this code once you see. Enter your choice. So I say 34. When I say 34, it is saying selection of operation is wrong. Try again. So I need to make my application to show once again this menu or not. So you know the technique already in our class. I will do what, ma? While true. This technique is most useful to you. Okay. This I will take it and put it into indentation. Well, now you execute once again, student. You execute once again. Enter your choice. I say something like 456. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Right. I will enter something like -34. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Very good. Now I am saying, for example, 4. It is coming out of it. Okay, na? Yeah. Let us go to next part. Observe it. Your selection of operation. You see line number 6. Exception handling means what? You should have a lot of forecasting knowledge. Enter your choice. My choice is Python I am entering. Do you have the choices of strings? No. Our choices are what? Numerics. What are the numerics? 1, 2, 3, 4. Other than numerics I entered. Python I entered. That means you are converting into which type? Is the Python is able to convert into numeric type? No. What is the error comes, ma? Value error. See that value error is coming. Is it necessary to handle such exception or not? Yes. Please go there and I will handle it. Where I am writing, ma? I am writing under where? Try. Because before the statement I am writing. There only value error is coming. Am I correct? Okay. Please handle it. I am writing there. This is again I am writing keeping into this place. And I'm saying that take care about that. I'm saying what is this? Except what is that, mom? Value error. Value error. Print what? Say the same wording. Don't enter STRs. STRs or what? Symbols or what? Alphanumerics. Alpha numerics. Alphanumerics for choice. For choice of operation, right? For choice of operation, don't enter like that. It is saying, okay, sir, please check it out now. You say, Python, you say, don't enter STRs, symbols, and then alphanumerics for choice of operation. Well, now I will say something like 23, and it is saying that your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Understand, ma? Well, now I will say 4. Now I will say 1. If I say 1, what will happen? It matches with 1. Pass. Pass means no statements are there. Nothing will execute. See, my dear students, nothing is coming. You say 2, nothing is coming. You say 3, nothing is coming. So I need to go for the operation to implement or not? Yeah. Go to this place. Now I will start. So I made my skeleton ready. I will come very after a few minutes. I will write this, remove the pass, and I will put my code. So let us go to my place. Here, students, you see ATM operations.my implementation of ATM operations. I will go. So let us go to ATM operations.py program. I am going to take it. Let us go to the Python program. I am going to give you the clarity on this area. Let us see this .py. .py. Start with this. What should I do? Function definitions I will take. Good. DEF. Come on, students. Deposit colon pass. I will define. Next, which function I will define? DEF withdraw. DEF what? Withdraw. Colon what? Pass. Next, DEF. What is next? Balance inquiry. Balance inquiry. What I am saying that? Pass. These are the 3 functions are there. And how well you will develop this depends on your intelligence. Start on? Very good. Now I am going to deal with what? Deposit. So, inside of deposit, inside of withdraw, inside of balance inquiry, I need to take one initial amount or not? Balance you need to take or not? There, I will take one global variable. Balance is equal to 500 rupees. I will take it. It's a minimum balance which I am taking in the account. If it is a database, I will take account number, customer name, and then balance. I will take that kind of thing. That is different. So this is mainly focusing on exceptions, how to take care. That is the main intention here. Okay. What is this variable is called a global variable or not? Why I took it as a global variable? Because I will use that variable inside of deposit function for depositing. For withdrawing is concerned, I require to operate on global variable. For returning the balance also, I require the global variable. That's why I need to take care. Okay. What should I do inside? Now I'm taking. You can please keep in mind that, according to the subject part, this is called which variable? Global variable. Come on to this deposit. What should I do in deposit? What should I do in deposit? I should ask the end user how much amount you want to deposit. So deposit D amount is equal to, careful, int or float or whatever you like it. Float of input of enter. Come on, students. Enter how much amount you want to deposit. Enter your deposit amount. Enter your deposit amount. How much you want to deposit. Okay. Because of this statement, any exception chance is there to come across? Enter how much amount you want to deposit. Any chance is there to get an exception there? Which exception will come? Value error chance is there to come or not? What, for example, I am entering Python. Enter how much amount you want to deposit. There is a chance of entering Python. Python is not converted into numerical value. So which exception chance is there? So value error is raised automatically by which keyword? Raise keyword. So predefined exceptions are implicitly raised by which keyword? Raise keyword. And our programmer defined exceptions explicitly raised by the raise keyword. That we have to write the condition and all. Okay, students. So now I am writing here, PVM raises, which error? Value error. In case of what? Pure, in case of non-numeric. In case of what? Non-numeric. Am I correct? In case of non-numeric only exception will rise. Which exception? Value error. Clear na? Yeah. Coming to the point. Okay, sir. Non-numeric only. Suppose Python 1, 2, 3, ABC 1, 2, 3. Like that we'll get what error? Value error. Now, my dear students, if D amount entered by the end user, negative value they are entering. Negative value or zero value they are entering. That time I need to raise my own exception or not? Deposit amount should not be negative. Deposit amount should not be zero. So tell me, if D amount less than or equal to 0, what should I do? D amount less than or equal to 0 means what? Definitely it is an exception or not? Once it is an exception, what I am planning? Raise my own exception. What is my exception? Deposit error. Deposit error. What is deposit error? It is the name of the exception. I should develop or not? Before you are raising, I should develop it. Shall I develop it? Yes, sir. So let me speak to online students for 2 minutes. Students, are you following, ma? Are you following this? Please confirm it, ma. Please confirm it. Yeah, very good. Please go on carrying, ma. Carrying. Right. Good. So let me go for deposit error. Yes. See this. Here I am going to say, Ajay Kumar, please try to see, ma. I am in the class. Right? I am in the class. Sumit Kumar, what difficulty you have, ma? I am having some difficulty. Sumit Kumar, what difficulty? Ajay Kumar, please follow me, ma, because I have to teach the class now. Yesterday I was having my semester exam. Okay. So for anything is concerned, ma, not able to get the raise concept. So you are absent now. So I can't do anything, ma. Because already I was explained already in the class. So I can't do anything. You please request the admins to take the video link if at all they are giving. Please contact them. Okay. So let me go to the next. Sumit Kumar Singh, because I can't do anything, ma. Right. So I don't have any video link, ma. Please look at me. Once you look at me, here also, like you, I joined as a co-host. You see me, co-host. I am not a host. You see in the video place, I am a co-host. I am not a host for recording the session. So I'm helpless in this regard, my dear student. Please understand me. Yeah. So coming to this deposit error. In this case, what should I develop? Deposit error class I have to develop it. Let us go to that. I will say, in this case, say class. Do you know how to deposit? How to develop? Yes, how to develop it? Class deposit error of what? Exception. Colon what? Pass. Right. Now I am giving, what is my things here? ATM except.py. What is this now? It is an exception. All the exceptions I am defining one file. So file name and acts as what name? Module name. So I'm going to take this, save this code first. Let me save this in our place of this case study, and then I will come to my place. I say here, since I am using deposit error, definitely from here I say ATM except import. What is the class name? ATM except Import what? Deposit error. Import what? Deposit error. Okay, na? So I developed my exception. And I am hitting my exception when the amount is less than or equal to 0. Well, so I'm not writing two exceptions. If you want negative deposit error, zero deposit error is not possible like that. But for both of them, I'm giving the same thing. Yeah. Next, I'm going to write it, students, else. That means it is not a value error. It is not a deposit error. That time it will come to else part or not. If any alphanumeric, if any symbol is there, value error is raising. Other than that, if the number is negative number, I am raising an exception explicitly. Raising an exception explicitly. Yesterday's class, we discussed about the raise. Else. Once it is else, what you will do? Correct number only. Correct only. What should I do now? Not a negative number, not an alphanumeric. It is a perfect number, positive number only. What should I do then? Modify or not? Which one? Balance. Come on, tell me. Balance is equal to balance plus D amount. Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? It is invalid. Global keyword is required. Whenever you are modifying the global variable value, the global variable value must be preceded with which keyword? Global. Already explained. Very, very important. Don't miss that. So I'm going to say global what? Balance. Global. What is that? Balance. So you already know this concept. Global and noma pranav. Globals no. Global keyword pronoun. Global keyword you need to take it. Globals function when local variable names and global variable names are same, I will use globals function. Globals function returns what? Dict. I already said so many, or at least 4 or 5 examples are there in that. So global keyword. So coming to this point, D amount, now I am saying that print off some small message I am giving, right? So, yes ma, Soundarya, here, how much, suppose I am going to, this is something like what, Soundarya, please understand ma, suppose you are using this application I am using in my, in my mobile, like I am using like a phone pay or something like, Google Pay like. I can transfer even paisa also, na? So it's a matter of using int is very easy. I'm using float means you can use this as a even paisa kind of application also. You can transfer as a net banking or any kind of such things. Understand ma, Soundarya? If you want to go for only integer, you can go for only int. You can go for int. What is our doubt is you cannot deposit paisa like that. Am I correct? Even if you go to bank, even if you say paisa also, they will take it definitely. Will they take or will not take? They will take even .50 paisa, .25 paisa, they will take. Still it is under currency mode only. They did not cancel, na? Like that. So let it be float only. Yes, sir. Now I am going to say \n your account. Just I am writing your account. Your account x 1 2 3 so credited with INR. I am saying dot format of what? D amount, print of your current balance, your current account balance, INR dot format of Kuruva \n is for new line ma. Kuruva \n is for new line. Okay. Already we used in our class na. \n is for new line. Okay, please. Good. Dot format of, dot format of. Okay, Ajay Kumar, listen ma. Okay, right, right, fine. Okay, so what is that now? What I should use? Balance, balance. Good. So this is called what? Which operation? Which operation this is? Deposit operation. How many exceptions I am raising there? How many exceptions I am raising there? One exception plus one implicit exception. You keep it a work of how to place it, where to place it. Your job role is what? How to write the deposit code. How to write the deposit code. So you written a deposit code with a full implementation of with exceptions. That you need to see that. Next I'm going for what? Withdraw. Shall we start withdraw? Yes. Now I'm going to withdraw. Students who are in the online, did you understand this code? If you say, Pranav, here we take it as what? Value error for this type of conversion problem. We are raising our own exception for this one. Right. Now I'm going for withdraw. Withdraw. Now I'm going to use it. Now I'm going to use it. Yes, ma'am. Amma? Next main program is there, na? Main program I made it ready, na? Here. Here. I made it ready. Here I will handle it. Yesterday, how many phases? Three. What are the three phases? Yesterday only I told you, na? Handling the exceptions, various forms of exceptions, development of programmer defined exceptions. You see in the last place, to develop programmer defined exception based applications, we must ensure that three phases. Number one is what? Development of exception classes, hitting the exceptions, hit. Then later third stage is what? Handling. Handling will be separate. So yesterday only I told you, don't write everything into one place. Don't write everything into one place. That is my program. Yesterday I told you, test is our program. Here I hope test a sample. Some program is there that is called a sample, I think so. Case 1, sample. I wrote everything in one place. Division error, hitting and handling. Handling is separate or not? Yesterday's class this was. Okay. So that is separately we will write it. Okay. Now coming to back, next withdraw operation I am going to do. Tell me what is the withdraw operation again? W amount is equal to float of input of, come on, enter the withdraw amount. Enter the withdraw amount. What I will do there? I will take it. And what is an exception is raising here? Here, PVM raises, which exception please? Value error. I am saying that value error. In case of what, ma? In case of non-numeric. In case of what? Non-numeric. Okay. If W amount less than or equal to what? 0. Less than or equal to 0. What should I do? Raise. Which one? Withdraw error. Deposit error is in the case of depositing part. It is withdraw error. I cannot go for entering something like anyhow. I cannot write in my check or something. Minus value I cannot write it. So withdraw error, raise withdraw error. What is this withdraw error? Is an explicitly I am writing or not? I need to develop the class now. So what is my class? Here you have exception window is there. Exception class is there. That is called, what is this now, ma? Base exception or exception. Yesterday's class we did this exceptions. I say here pass. Very nice. Withdraw error, deposit error, withdraw error. Let us save this code and coming to back to this line of this, here I will write it. What I do, ma? I say, comma, what is this? Withdraw error. So I developed it. I am hitting here. I will handle it into the next stage. Okay, sir. Good. Now I will write what? Tell me. If that withdraw amount, one more kind of see the thought of forecasting knowledge. The withdraw amount, I want to compare with what? Your account balance. So withdraw, your account balance is 10,000. Your withdraw amount is 20,000 you are entering. Chance is there or not? That time you will get what? Insufficient fund will come. So I will write it. I will write it. W amount greater than what? Balance. Chance is there or not? Suppose you have 500 rupees here, 500 rupees here, you are withdrawing 1000 rupees. 1000 greater than 500, true. What should I do, ma? Raise. Insufficient fund error. Insufficient fund error. What is insufficient fund error? Is again a class. Go to that place and define what? Class insufficient fund error of what? Exception. Okay. Say what? Pass. Save this. Come back to this line and say what? Comma. What is this? Insufficient fund error. I developed it. I am using it. Very nice. Come on, students. Now, in this case, if this is the value is like this, raise an error. If this is the case, raise this error. Okay, students. Else, come on. L if, I am writing here L if, normal if also we can use. Okay, now tell me, here I am writing what? L if is not necessary here. Directly I can write what? Else. What should I do, please? Balance is equal to balance minus W amount. When this else block it will come here. When this else block will come. When this is not valid. When this is not valid. This is coming to this place. If all these conditions are false, it will come to which part? Else part. Understand? Very good. And here I need to write what? Since I am modifying the global variable, I need to write which keyword? Global keyword. Either you can write in this place or I can write before itself. Before this itself, global balance. Are you understanding why I wrote global balance? Otherwise you will get error. Okay. Now coming to this place, now I am writing here print, your account is debited with. Now I am going to write it. Now I am going to take the statements. I am going to write the statements. Writing here, your account is debited with. So I am writing debited with INR of what is this amount? W amount. And your current balance after withdraw, after withdraw is what? Balance. This is a current balance after deposit. This is after deposit. Well, coming to this line, here it is finished. Are you getting my point? Ma? Line number? Already there. Already it is there. Okay. Now it is going to be printing your account is debited with and your current balance is all these things as written. So this is an information about what? Which operation? How many exceptions are there? So 3 operations are there. Value error, withdraw error, insufficient fund error. Above one, how many exceptions are there? 2. One is what? Value error. One more is deposit error. So wherever you are not able to do the operation, immediately raise an error. That is a very simplest technique we are supposed to follow. Right. Coming to next, this one, balance inquiry, which is very simple. Now I can say, I am writing inside. I will remove this pass and I will say easily your current account balance. I will say here current account balance INR. I'll print it. Is it necessary to write global keyword there? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, not necessary. Line number 27, need to write or need not write? Need to, need not to? Need not to write, because I am not modifying. I explained so clearly. I am accessing. When I am accessing, no need to write what? Global keyword. When I am modifying, you need to write what? Global keyword. So you have to read the notes daily, right? Need not to write, because I am accessing that. So this is the complete picture of what? Operations. How many exceptions I handled? From ATM, EXS, EEPT. I have deposit error on my own, withdraw error on my own, insufficient fund error is there. This is the complete exceptions which I developed it. So students who are in the online, are you comfortable, students? Are you comfortable? Good. Now here, this is the function withdraw. This is the function deposit, which is done, right? So many people absent today, around 40 members absent, right? So let it be. Coming to the point back, I will save this code. So go to this place, ATM operations dot. Ankit? Okay. Are you following the class? Okay, Ankit, no problem. Let them celebrate the festival, but we will celebrate ATM festival here. Good. So let us go to the next, coming to the next part of the code. This is saved. Come to main program now. What should I do? If case one, what should I do? Call which function? Deposit you call. So deposit you call. Deposit is called what? A function. From where? Import. From where? ATM operations, it is called the module. ATM operations, it is called our module. ATM operation. File name come, what is this? File name acts as what? Module. Acts as module name. So go to this place. Now I am writing here main program. This is a deposit from ATM operations. Import, which function I am taking? Withdraw, deposit. Next is what? Withdraw. Next is what? Balance inquiry. Okay. Now this deposit function is generating how many exceptions? 2. One is value error, one more is? Yeah. So I am writing, see where I am writing? Try. I am writing inside the case. Inside the case I am writing. Okay. Deposit. I am writing here. Except value error. Okay. Whatever you like it. Deposit error or value error, whatever you like it. Value error. I will say I entered. I'm saying that backslash n. Don't backslash n is another one, new line. Don't try to deposit. Don't try to deposit. What is that? STRs. Next is called what? Symbols. And what? Alphanumerics. Right. Next, I will go for one more except block. I will write it. One more except block. I will write it. What is an except block? Deposit error. So there I am saying that print. Don't try to deposit. Try to deposit what? Negative or what? Zero value. This is the one. Inside the try, inside the main try, there is another try is there or not? So try in a try is possible to write or not? Yes, depends on my situation, I can write it. Depends on my situation, we can write it. Yes, in this try block, we have another try. Yes, it is done. Try except value error. Try except what? Deposit error. Done. Coming to the past two. Which function I have to write there, ma? Quickly. Withdraw. I need to write it. Withdraw function is throwing how many exceptions? 3. 3. So I need to write very powerful logic. I will write it. What is this? Try. Try, I will write it. There I will write it. Except same to same value error. I need to write value error. Don't try to withdraw. Don't try to withdraw. I'm writing. Don't try to withdraw. What value? Don't try to withdraw. Symbols and all those things. Right? Don't try to deposit. Next, I will take one more kind of thing. What is that? EXCEPT. Next is called what? Withdraw error. Withdraw error. Withdraw error. What is the withdraw error? I need to take about errors also. Withdraw error. What should I write here? Don't try to withdraw. Don't try to withdraw. I'm saying that. Don't try to withdraw. 0 or what? Negative value. Negative value. And I will write next is called what? 1 minute. I will write one more type of exception. What is that exception name? What is that exception name? Insufficient fund error. Insufficient fund error. I need to take it and I need to write here. Insufficient fund error. Will say print of your account does not have funds. Your account does not have sufficient funds. Sufficient funds. Sufficient funds. Okay. Next, what I will do? These are the 3 exceptions I did. If anything else is extra coming, you know the mechanism of writing. Except default except block, I will write it. Here also default except block, I can write it. You know that mechanism story already. Okay, students. Done. Well, now coming to the next point here. Case 3. Now I'm saying pass. What should I do case 3 now? I should call balance inquiry. That's it. Balance inquiry does not contain any exception. Just I'm printing there. Okay, now? Yeah. Now, what is the base exception in other module? What is the base exception in other module? What is the meaning of it? Nasir? Base exception, and I did not understand your doubt, ma. Are you asking base exception present in which module? Are you asking that question? Is it your question? Yes. I told yesterday what? What I told yesterday? Exception, base exception are the classes which I am using directly means which module they are present? Built-ins module. Which module? Built-ins module. Yesterday only I told you. Nasir, did you remember, ma? Did you remember that? Our functions, some of the functions regularly I am using, some of the classes by default which are using that are present in where? Built-ins. Built-ins. Right. Fine. So, okay, ma, Nasir, no problem. Okay. Today I gave you. Today, yesterday you are not there. Okay. So these are comes under what? Built-ins module by default available in the Python software. Right. Nani, we already gives exceptions in operational, but why we again give in main function? See the doubt. In Nani, Mr. Nani, Seema, here what are we doing? Raising. It is raising the exception. What are we doing in main program? Handling. I told yesterday itself. Handling is different. Hitting is different. For hitting is concerned, we use raise. For handling is concerned, we use right. Right. Pranav, I told you yesterday, same, either you can use base exception or you can use exception. No problem. Either you can use exception or base exception. Anything you can use, I said yesterday. Right, Pranav? Right. Right. So, yes, ma, those who are not there in yesterday's class, today class you cannot follow because it is a continuous class. I told already in the sessions, continuous classes, continuous reading, continuous practicing is compulsory. This class you cannot follow when you are not there in yesterday. When I start the new topic, again you will follow. Okay, this is the continuation of the exception handling. Mahima. Yesterday you are having midterm exam. Okay, so I can't do anything, ma. Please find out from admins and try to get the video link if at all they are giving it. Okay, this is only my sentence I can say. So continuously classes will be there. So you need to take care of that. Now coming to this place, and I'm using raise a deposit, handling deposit error, withdraw error, insufficient fund error. I need to import that exceptions also now. So I will go for what? I'll take from this place. I'll take from this place this kind of line. I'll copy this and I'll paste here. Definitely you should be there in yesterday to understand this example. Right? From ATM exceptions, import to deposit error, withdraw error, insufficient fund error. Okay. So I'm using exceptions for handling it. I'm using banking operations. I'm using menu operations. I'm using sys operation for exiting my menu. Well, let us go to the save this code. Okay, which was already saved it. Let us go for running my code. So menu, let us save it once, and then ATM demo saved. Operations you try to save once, and exceptions you try to save. Try to execute. My dear students, let us coming to the execution. Enter your operation. The handling full of exceptions are there in this code. Now let us go for enter your choice. Say the choice is what? 34. 34. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. -4. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Enter your choice. Python. I'm saying. Don't try to enter SDRs, symbols, alphanumerics, and this one. This is the message which is coming. Well, and next is called what? Enter 3. 3, your balance inquiry. Your current account balance is what? 500 rupees. 500 rupees. Go for what? Enter your choice 1. Enter your deposit amount. Enter your deposit amount. 5,500 I want to deposit. Okay. Now see that what is happening. Your account is credited with INR 5,500. And your current balance after deposit is what? 6,000. Because 5,500 was already there. Now check your balance once. 3. Choice is 3. Your current account balance is what? 6,000. Now I am going to say once again deposit. Deposit 2,300. 2,300. Credited with 2,300. Already 6,000 is there. Now we are going to add this one. 8,300 is your current balance. Okay. Now you go for what? Withdraw. Withdraw. Second. Withdraw. Enter the withdraw amount. The spelling mistake is there. I will correct it. So I'm going to say 2,500 or 2,300 or 2,500. I will go for it. 2,500. Your account is debited with 2,500. Your current account balance is after withdraw 5,800. 8,300 you are withdrawing this much. Now I will see check the balance. Current balance is 5,800. Now you execute once again. Go to second only. Now I am entering something like 2,000 I am going to withdraw. It is going to be like this, 3,800. Now let us go for choice is called 1. Say something like 1,300. 1,300. It is deposited 5,100, 1,300. Now you go for it. What is that? 1. Now I am going to deposit what? kvr.python. kvr.python. In opposite direction you try to enter. See that what is happening. Don't try to deposit STRs, symbols and alphanumerics. Number 1, you enter -4,500 negative value. Don't try to deposit negative value or 0 value. You try to enter 1, 0 rupees you enter. Don't try to deposit 0 value. Now check your balance. 5,100 is already there. Next I will go for what? Withdraw part you come. Now I am entering 6,000. 6,000. What is your balance? 5,100. 6,000 allowed. So you will get what? Your account does not have sufficient funds. Your account does not have sufficient funds. Now I am going to enter 5,100. What is the choice? 2. 5,100. How much amount you have? 5,100. Now I am going to enter 5,100. So my banker is giving now, because withdraw amount greater than your balance. 5,100 greater than your balance is false. False means it is coming to else part and subtracting. Balance minus withdraw amount. 5,100 minus 5,100, zero balance. It is giving, according to my coding, it is giving. Where I wrote that coding, I wrote that coding in this place, here. You see here. Negative value, no. It is 5,100 greater than 5,100, it is false. False means coming to this place and it is going to be withdrawing. Total amount you are withdrawing. But if I maintain a constraint saying that my banker is always having 500 rupees about you, always you should keep 500 rupees with me. So that time what I will do? I have to change my condition. How do you change your condition? Here I will add 500 rupees. I will add 500 rupees. I will explain that. First you see this. First let me complete this. Now you see, press enter key. Now you are getting your account is debited with this. Your account balance is now 0.0. Total amount I am giving. But actually I will change the condition saying that 500 rupees you have to keep always in my bank. Minimum balance to maintain. Okay. Second one I am choosing again. 500 rupees I am trying to withdraw. Your account does not have sufficient funds. Right? Now you go for a deposit. Balance inquiry, you take it. What is your balance now? 0.0. Right? So this one I want to maintain 500 rupees always with me. How can I go for it? You come out of that, you exit. Again I will execute. Go to this place. Now I will add plus 500 rupees I will add. That means to you what you are withdrawing, to your balance, to your withdraw amount, I will add 500 rupees. And I will compare. Start. Your balance is 600 rupees, 6,000 rupees is your balance. You are also entering how much? 6,000. 6,000 less than or equal to 0, false. 6,000 plus 500. 6,500 greater than balance. Yes, I am not giving. Raising insufficient fund error. Suppose if I am not adding 500, 6,000 greater than 6,000, false. That time it is coming to where? Else part. So I am giving. You may say, sir, write equal to here. Write equal to. That means even 1 rupee less also you are giving. So, but I want to maintain 500 rupees fixed. So that's why I am going to do what? What I am going to do? 500 I am writing. 500 I am writing. And then I am going to use it. Now you start executing now. See this logic now. Say 1. Say something like 3 first. 500 rupees. Beginning onwards I am executing now. To maintain your 0.0 beginning, you have to store it into database. From the database, it will fetch the current balance. Okay. Enter your choice. 1. What is the amount you are entering? 3,500. Your balance is now, current balance is 4,000. 3,500 plus previous 500. Okay. Now you are going to choose second one. Enter the amount. 4,000 I am giving. What is the condition? Go there. 4,000 less than or equal to 0, false. 4,000 plus 500, 4,500 greater than 4,000 plus 500, how much more? 4,500 greater than 4,000. True means what? Raise exception. Which exception? Insufficient fund exception. Your account does not have the funds. Earlier it was withdrawn. Now it is not withdrawn. How much amount I can take it? Say 2. 3,500 I entered. No problem. 3,500 less than or equal to 0, false. 3,500 plus 500, 4,000. 4,000 greater than 4,000? False. No problem. Balance is how much? 4,000. Minus W amount is what? 3,500. Okay, done. What is your balance now? 500. So still I am maintaining 500. See that I am maintaining. Your account is debited with 3,500. INR 500 rupees is there. Now you are going for 2 once again. 200 rupees you want to withdraw. 200 plus 500 is 700. 700 greater than 500, it is called what? A true insufficient fund exception. You don't have sufficient fund exception. 1 rupee. 1 rupee also I am trying to withdraw. Of course, 1 rupee means I am just saying even 1 rupee also not possible to withdraw. You don't have sufficient funds. Are you getting my point? So, if I say here 3, if I say 3, you are getting the balances as it is like this. I hope you are understanding. Even many of the operations even I am not implementing. The main focus is in this code is what? Exceptions part is there. I hope you understood this, right? So the students who are in the online, did you understand, students? Right. Fine. Come on. Did you understand this example? Pranav. Okay. Little bit tricky, but got it. Simple, straightforward. Right. Sumit Kumar. Yes. Yes, ma. Please, you only request them because you only request them. Please. So I understand, ma. I understand the pain of the student because one day absent, next day you will get the difficulty to get its concept. That's what in the beginning days only. Of course, you have exams. You can't do anything else. Right. Fine. I will tell them, I will tell them. You also ask once again. Okay? Right. So, Sumit Kumar, that's true. Because one day missing, it's a problem. Right. Did you understand this concept, students? Now, how do you make this program to execute everywhere else? This is my case study, right? So this application, for example, I want to run everywhere else. So I will keep it. This is under one case. So this project, come to this point once again. This is called my main program, right? What I do is this a total thing. I will keep it into one more kind of function. One more kind of function. Please look at that. All of you, I am using to run the same program using packages. Packages, I am going to run this. How do you do this? This is one example. Now I am going to do one more thing. One more thing. Please listen, regarding the videos, I cannot do anything. Please ask admins. As far as my class is concerned, I can take care about the subject more. Regarding the videos, I cannot do anything. Please find out from them. Yes, ma, Soumya. Please take care, ma. Please take care. So, you just talk to them only. I can't do anything else in this regard. I can take my classes hours together, but I can't do anything in videos related. Okay, fine. So let us go to this place. I want to execute my application everywhere else. What should I do? Make it as package. So I'll go to this things. You keep it aside. I will close this all. Keep it. I'm closing this part. I will post this. This is one example. What is this example? It is under place of what? ATM. I will take up this. I'll take a copy of it. I'll just paste here. I say ATM with the project I want to say, or I will say something like a rename. I'll say ATM 1 or ATM Pro. I'll say something like this. I'm saying. What I do is I'll bring back once again to my place. I'll keep it here. There, how I'm going to do is I will open this. You open this. Here, whatever the main program is there, please open it. This entire thing, I will write it into one function. What is my function? DEF DEF, DEF, just run ATM. Just what? Run ATM. Everything I am keeping in one function. Run ATM. This entire thing I am keeping into one function. Yes. Now see that I'm going to give it as ATM Pro, ATM project. I'm going to take it. It is called what? File name and access module. I will save this in a separate place and I will save it. I will save this. Yes, save this code. ATM Pro PROJ. This you save it. See students, ATM PROJ. Yes. Now here, this part is there na ATM main program, ATM demo that I need not to have. Now see, ATM project is there. This I will call wherever I like it. Go to my place. I will write a main program. Just I am calling. Tell me from ATM. What is that? Project import what? Run ATM. Run ATM. That run ATM. This is my module name. Run ATM. Where I am keeping this? Run ATM. It is my project. Run ATM. This I am saving. What is this now? Execute project. Execute PROJ dot py. Save it. Where I am saving this? Observe it. I am going to be in C. In C folder I am keeping. In KVR folder. Some folder was there already na? You keep it there. Now I am going to save it. PY. Already explained in packages. Same thing today. Packages means I am recapitulating my before the exceptions packages as discussed. Okay. Go there and execute now. Out of that, go to where? C colon. Out of that, CD KVR. See this now. What is this now? DIR. What is my file name? Execute project. Just I'm not going to package still. Try to follow me. So here I'm trying to call that module into another place. I'm trying to call this thing into another place. What I'm doing? PY execute project. Execute project dot what? PY. It is an error. What is an error? Module not found error. So modules will provide the accessibility within the same folder. Not able to provide the accessibility across the folders. Which folder we are in? C colon. In C colon. My module was there in where? E colon, which was not able to use in this place. So definitely I must go for what? Package I need to make it. How do you make package? I already told in the class. Go to that ATM PRO. There I need to create one empty file. Shall I go to empty file? Let's go to the empty file. Say new Python file. Say there. I say Python. Simply save it. Under ATM Pro __ init __ dot py. Now it is called what? Package. Okay. Even though I made as a project, package, will it able to run once again here? It cannot. What should I do? Two approaches are there. What are those two approaches? I will say, go to this place where you saved it. I saved into C colon. There I will say, come on, sys dot path dot append of absolute path of your package. What is an absolute path of the package? Already we discussed in the class. So where I am in 9 AM, ATM project, ATM PRO. Under this, I need to take this complete address. Save it, paste it, then execute. And import sys. Import what ma? Sys. Okay. Under this is called what? Last part is called what? ATM Pro is called what? Package name. In that package name, what is this is called module name. In the module name, what is my function name? Beautiful. Execute, go there and execute now. Happily, it will ask. Run. It will run. Say, enter your choice 3. Say 1. Say 1. Enter the amount 3,400. Your account balance is 3,900. Current balance is 3,900. Amount deposited just now is this. And 2 is this. I say 5,000 rupees. Insufficient funds. Okay. Now remove this. Go to this place and they say remove these lines. Again problem. You come out of that and execute once again. You execute once again. Module not found, error. Understand? How to make it as to run once again? Environmental variables. Shall I show you environmental variables? Go. Where should I go? Settings. There are a lot of ways are there to go to it. System. Under that, search for what? Environmental variables. Environmental variables for your account. Yes, already we had in our class. Please go what? Edit. Because already something is there. Already you have arithmetic, you have a bank, and new one I want to go for or not? What is the new one? Click on what? New and say paste that. See students, paste it. Say what? Okay. Say okay. Don't close this again. Say okay. This is finished. Go to. Again you run it. It can't get immediately. You have to close it and you have to come back. I already shown this type of thing. You got an error. Don't get tension when you get an error. Close this and gets again. Close it and get again. Now you see CD KVR is my folder. There you say PY. Now what is my program name? Check it out. Execute project.py. PY execute project.py. Enter. Come on. ATM operations. Enter your choice. So say 500. Enter the amount to deposit. Enter the amount to enter your choice. 1. 12,000. It is like this. Enter the choice 2. Enter the amount to deposit. Withdraw 15,000. You don't have sufficient funds. Right or not? Fine. You go to where? Where you can go. Python command prompt you go. Go to Python command prompt. Happily you can go for it. Come on. What is my things? From forget ATM project. What is our module name? From ATM project. Run what? It is our module, na? So I can take the same line. Yes. Go to that. From ATM project, run as what? ATM. Alias name. Yes, beautiful. ATM off. What a beautiful example. Enter the balance. 3. Enter the amount to deposit. 1,200. Choice. Okay, 1,200. Blindly you are entering. Choice 1,200 I am entering. Your choice is wrong. Try again. Enter the choice 1. 1,200 rupees. Say your account is credited with 1,700. Enter your choice KVR. Yes, choice is wrong. Don't enter STRs and etc. Enter the deposit. So 1. I am entering something like hash dot dollar. Right. Don't try to deposit. Say now. 3rd, balance inquiry. Right. Say now. 2. Say something like 3,000. Insufficient funds. Understanding? Wherever you go, you will get this. Now I can go to anywhere else. I can go to anywhere else. Where I can go now? I can go to any PyCharm anywhere else. You go to Jupyter Notebook. Of course, it cannot run. Why? Because Jupyter Notebook will not provide match case. It will not provide. If at all you want to make it to run, you have to go for write if elif kind of things you write it. If elif kind of things you take care. So that kind of things you can take care of it. So Jupyter Notebook, you try to run it. Getting a problem of opening that. So you just run this code. Now say exit. Now I'm saying 4. It is coming out of it. Just try to run this. So go to PyCharm. PyCharm also does not contain match case. So there if you call like that, you will get match case like that. VS Code also, you can check it out. Once you get an error related to match case, you can change it to what? If kind of things you can do it. Just for a minute you observe it. I will go for this. So working on different places is nothing but first coding is main important. These are all called what 1 or 2 days. If you just work on it, you can understand because it's not a subject part. Okay. So let us go to this place. Okay. Let me close this project, existing project. I will close this project. Yes, create a new project. There I will say, there I will say ATM. There I will say ATM. There you say create. There you say create virtual environment that supporting libraries, libs and everything will be placed. And wait for it. So already once we tried this example and we got match case error, we got it. Did you remember that? Yeah. So there I might be, I'll convert into what? If kind of cases. If we convert, it will execute happily. Okay. So let us wait. So now this is the main. I just want to close it up. Now I will say this place, say new file. So say new file, Python file, just ATM test, ATM test.py. Fine. Under this, I will write it. What I am writing there from ATM project, import run ATM. Now I am writing yes, AT as something like AT or ATM. Now I am writing here ATM. Now it is just writing like that. You try to run it. You try to run it. Run ATM test. You will get a big error. What is that big error? Match case. Match case. To solve this point, what should I do? Save that code. Go to the place. Which one? If you go to that place, wherever we have written, which case we written in that code is, we go to the place here, ATM project, whatever is there, you can write happily with what? There I should write if ch is equal to 1, do this. If ch is equal to 2, do this. Ch is equal to 3, ch is equal to 4, like that. If you write it, it will work out. Understand? So these IDEs will take only security kind of Python software only implementation. Maybe in the coming days when the Python 3.x comes under security mode, it will be considered. And I told you already, some of the people may not be getting what is the security mode and all those things. I told already in the class, that is www.python.org. In the case of what? View full downloads, I just shown you that part. Here, you see Python 3.10 is under what? Bug fixing stage. Still our PyCharm is considering only this 3.7 and 3.8 because they are under what? Secured things is available. So still it is under bug fixing stage. They did not take it. They are taking this type of security kind of things. That's why PyCharm is giving an error for what? match case. You can happily execute the same program provided when you go for what? Considering into if, elif kind of things. Did you understand, students? Right. Come back. A small question I want to give you. A small point I want to give you. Here, one small experiment I am going to do on this. To access my ATM, I am asking your password to enter. I am asking to password to enter. A small implementation, small, and don't think that it is a big concept all of a sudden. Okay. See, students, if I want to go to your Oracle, just for a minute, to go to your Oracle SQL Plus, those who knows little Oracle knowledge, which you require in my class, that knowledge, see that I'm taking some bold fonts, see that, enter username Scott, which is visible to you. Next, enter a password, Tiger, in my system Tiger, TIGER, which is not visible to you. That means it is a strongly password protected. Okay, if I enter Tiger, so it is showing, so Tiger, I entered, so Tiger, of course, this is coming to, this SQL prompt is coming here. That means it is fully password protected. Such a type of scenario, our Python there is a get pass module. In get pass module, what is the function name? Get pass. There it is taking prompt is equal to enter your password. Enter your password to access ATM operations. And don't think that it is the biggest topic. And it is going to give you PA, something like PWD. I am getting into PWD, or I am getting password, PASSWD. Okay, now students, what is get pass? First one, what is get pass module? What is another get pass function? What it is prompting? This is a compulsory how to write it. This will give you password accepting without visibility. That is a strongly password protection. Fine. Now I will say import what? Import get pass. Okay. Now, what is your password? If password is equal to Python. What is that? Python. If it is the correct Python, then I will run which project? Run ATM. Run ATM. Else, what is that else? Invalid password. Print. What is this? Invalid password. Try again. Just one experiment. Just watch it. First watch it. Execute project. Go to the place where I am in. Go to the place of where execute. Now enter your password to access ATM. I am entering KVR. Invalid password, try again. Enter ATM operation. Online students don't know, offline students don't know what SAR is typing. You don't know what I am typing, but I am typing. Now I am typing what? Python. Nothing is moving the cursor. That is nothing but fully password protection. Now it is asking, it is showing that. Are you following me? Now I will go to my choice 3. Fine. I'll go for 4. Exit. Now coming to the point of it. If you want to implement, you can go for it. 3 times password wrong. 3rd time your card is blocked. Your card is like that also you can do. How do you take that? Invalid times you count it. If the count is equal to what? 3, say what? Card is blocked, out. Are you following me? Right. come out of this. How do you implement that? First of all, online students, are you following me? Are you following, students? Manikanta Swami, it is get pass. It is get pass, that is. It is not a keyword, ma. It is a predefined module. Did you follow, students, all of you? It's very easy. Nothing is difficult. Nothing is difficult. Now, I'm going to give you one small thing here. What I'm taking, CTR is equal to what? 0. CTR is equal to 0. What I'm saying, invalid password, I'm comparing. What is that? If CTR, invalid time I will count. CTR is equal to what? CTR plus 1. CTR plus 1. CTR is equal to what? 3. 3. Actually, I will write what? CTR is equal to 3. I will say what? Print. You are not allowed. You are not allowed to enter again. Not allowed to enter. Not allowed to enter your password. And you are unauthorized person. Unauthorized. I'm just giving unauthorized. Listen that concept, right? And you are not allowed, a card is blocked, whatever message you like it. And say what there? Sys what? Exit. And I will keep this in where, ma? While of what? True. While of true. I'm saying this. I hope you are following. First time you are entering, and then password you are getting. If it is valid, okay. If it is invalid, what is happening? Invalid password, try again. CTR is equal to CTR plus 1. And you are comparing with that. First time compared with that. And if it is equal to 3, you are getting, it is coming out of it. Right? And just you can write your own message. Card blocked, whatever you like it. So you say card blocked, whatever the message you like it. Just a message I am giving it. Execute it now. Go to the place of this place. Import sys, yes. Import sys, I will take it. 1 minute. Go to the place of your program. Import what also? Sys. Beautiful. Execute. Go to this place. Now see. Enter your password. KVR. Invalid password. Enter your password to access ATM. Something like Java. Password, try again. Now I am saying Django. Invalid 3 times. Invalid password, try again. You are not allowed to enter password again, and you are unauthorized. Card blocked. Coming out. Not at all accepting it. Are you understanding? How the card is blocked and all we can see when you go to the company level. Database is there, na? That will be made as invalidated. That is very easy to do this. Invalidate the card at all. Blocked means what? I will reset the date. Instead of giving the 3 years expansion of that valid date to 200 valid will be there or not. I will set the date of 2 days itself over. So that is the way how you can do it. Right. So Manikanta Swami, are you not getting get pass importance, ma? Manikanta, are you not getting get pass? See, I'm just showing very practically in the class. Are you able to get my points? Are you getting this point? So get pass is a module. Get pass function will ask you to get only passwords. That is a fully protected passwords. I can take it. There is no much concept behind that. This is only one small kind of awareness. It's a statement like, what is the get pass here? What is the get pass? Module. Wherever you want to go for accepting the password kind of thing, take what? Get pass. Get pass. Get pass will give you fully password protected information. I'm showing very practically what is the use of get pass means. What can I say? Already it is there. So please post relevant things, ma. Please post relevant. Manikanta Swami. Yeah, clear, huh? I'm showing to you very clearly. I'm showing. Right. So now I hope you understand this type of implementation. Now, wherever you want to take password kind of information, I will write that import the pass, get pass, and then say what? Prompt. When you say prompt, which will allow you to enter the data, but the data will not be visible. It's called fully password protected. Like Unix, Linux, you go try to enter, there nothing is there. Oracle I shown you. Oracle implementation, username, password, username is visible, password is not visible. That is nothing but they used this type of implementation internally. This is called, no, no, I'm just saying that before I'm going to withdraw my money, are you entering the PIN number or not? Like that, I'm taking some password, So this is about exception handling with a full length explanation. In next class, Monday, tomorrow is a holiday. Monday, Sunday is also continuously. Monday, when I come back, I will introduce files concept. Files in Python, and make your laptops ready with a database. Without practicing, if you come to the class, we cannot understand. And without practicing, if you come to the class and expecting that a job want to come means, it will not come. You have to practice it. So that is damn sure. In the day one onwards, I am saying the same. You have to practice it. So sit quiet and cool and try to do this. Right? Fine. Tomorrow is really holiday, not making April Fool. So I'm not making. So I don't make, that is old story. So we are all very intelligent students. Who will make fools to us? We are intelligent now. Are we intelligent or not? So if somebody make fool means we are not going to become. So I never, especially to my students, I will not do that. Tomorrow holiday. If you don't believe, I can't do anything else. You come to the, you join in the class. Class is not there. Okay. Right. Anyhow, I'll start the class. Monday we will meet. Thank you. What is the Monday class? Files I will start. Thank you. Good day. Install the Oracle and MySQL. Take care of it. And you need to have the Oracle knowledge by yourself to understand the Python to database communication. So I'm not a Oracle trainer to explain Oracle here. Okay. Right. Thank you, Ma. All the best.